Picture this. You're sitting down to start a new craft project, and you know you have the perfect design. Somewhere. You spend the next hour searching through folders, checking different marketplaces, and questioning your sanity. Sound familiar? Trust me, I get it. As a crafter, I found myself drowning in thousands of digital downloads, saved in multiple folders with no easy way to find them. That's why I created CraftStash. Think of it as a smart filing system for all your design files. Here's how it works. Paste a link from any craft marketplace, and CraftStash automatically saves all the important details. No more manual organizing. Looking for something specific? Simply ask CraftStash to find it. You can say, "Show me Mardi Gras embroidery designs," and it brings back all file matches. It's that intuitive. No more wasting time searching for designs or wasting money repurchasing the same file. Simply use your words to find what you want and start your project without frustration. So whether you're an embroiderer, knitter, or into woodworking, let CraftStash make your crafting life simpler, smarter, and more enjoyable. Sign up to stash your first 100 downloads for free.